Congrats Bini Joanna, another milestone reached, opening of her new coffee shop.
Hayaan nyo pag nagkaroon ako ng sariling cafe, guys. Sa opening, magbibigay ako ng discount.
The power of words, one of Bini Joanna's manifestation coming true. Today, ginanap nga ang grand opening ng coffee shop ni Bini Joanna Bro & Co. located in Calamba, Laguna, na dinaluhan ng family and friends to celebrate these wonderful moments of Bini Joanna's dream coming true. And some blooms who are able to receive slots for the grand opening today. Bini Joanna describes the coffee shop as a personal project for her and finally coming to life after months of hard work. Together with the support of her family, friends, and blooms, to share her with her dream is a fulfilling one. Marami din nagpaabot ng congratulations at blooms excitement na puntahan ng coffee shop ni Bini Joanna.